In this video, I will share the top 4 Sora AI alternative projects for creating free AI videos. These innovative tools are designed to make video creation easy, accessible, and efficient. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious about AI, you'll find these projects incredibly useful. We'll explore how each one works, its unique features, and how it can help you create amazing videos without needing any advanced technical skills. Stay tuned to discover these fantastic AI video tools and see how they can transform your creative process. Let's get started. Project number 1, Dream Machine. Are you ready to revolutionize your video creation process? Introducing Dream Machine by Luma Labs AI, a pioneering tool in AI-powered video creation. This innovative model allows you to generate high-quality, realistic videos from simple text descriptions or images. Imagine describing a scene or uploading a sketch, and Dream Machine transforms your input into a stunning visual masterpiece. It's like having a professional video production team at your fingertips. Dream Machine stands out with its ability to add intricate details such as realistic lighting, textures, and fluid motion, ensuring your videos look polished and professional. The AI model has been trained on a vast dataset of videos, enabling it to understand and replicate complex relationships between objects, characters, and scenes. This deep understanding ensures consistency and realism in every frame. One of the most impressive features of Dream Machine is its speed. In just minutes, it can create videos that would typically take hours or even days to produce manually. This rapid generation capability allows you to experiment with different ideas, refine your concepts quickly, and bring your creative vision to life with minimal effort. Dream Machine has a wide range of applications. Filmmakers and animators can use it to generate storyboards, concept art, or even final animations. Marketers can create engaging product demos, promotional videos, and social media content. Educators can develop interactive and visually appealing educational videos. Even individuals can create personalized videos for gifts, social media, or just for fun. While Dream Machine is a powerful tool, it's important to note its limitations. Highly complex prompts or ambiguous inputs might pose challenges, and running the model requires substantial computational resources. However, despite these limitations, Dream Machine remains a groundbreaking technology, democratizing video production and opening up new creative possibilities for everyone. In conclusion, Dream Machine by Luma Labs AI is a game changer in the world of video creation. It empowers creators to produce high-quality, realistic videos quickly and efficiently, making professional video production accessible to all. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, Dream Machine can transform your creative process and bring your ideas to life like never before. Project number 2, Showrunner. Are you ready to dive into a new era of content creation? Let's explore Showrunner, powered by Fable Simulation. This innovative platform is redefining entertainment through AI-driven simulations. Imagine stepping into Sim Francisco, a virtual satirical replica of San Francisco, where you can upload characters, including a digital version of yourself, and craft interactive stories. Showrunner offers a unique experience for filmmakers, storytellers, and content creators. By uploading digital avatars or custom characters into this simulated city, you can control and influence story arcs, create complex character interactions, and explore limitless narrative possibilities. It's like having a digital playground where your creativity meets cutting-edge AI technology. What sets Showrunner apart is its interactivity. Instead of being a passive viewer, you become an active participant or even a director in the virtual world. This means you can test plot ideas, see how different dynamics play out in real time, and receive immediate feedback from a community engaged in the shared, evolving narrative. For filmmakers and storytellers, this platform offers a dynamic environment to experiment and innovate. You can create content that's not only unique, but also highly engaging, thus attracting viewers eager for new and interactive experiences. Imagine creating a storyline, uploading your characters, and watching as they interact with others in unexpected ways, revealing new plot twists and character developments. Showrunner's first show, Exit Valley, takes place in this virtual city, highlighting the quirky aspects of tech culture. It's a perfect example of how the platform blends satire with cutting-edge simulation to create compelling content. While Showrunner is still in early access, it offers a fantastic opportunity to get in on the ground floor of AI-driven entertainment. By participating now, you can help shape the future of storytelling and be at the forefront of this exciting new medium. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just curious about AI and interactive narratives, Showrunner provides a canvas for your imagination to run wild. In conclusion, Showrunner by Fable Simulation is transforming the landscape of digital content creation. Its AI-driven interactive platform allows creators to craft immersive and dynamic stories within a virtual city, engaging viewers in new and exciting ways. Join Showrunner today and explore the future of storytelling. Project number 3, Morph Studio. Imagine transforming your storytelling experience with AI-powered video creation tools. That's exactly what Morph Studio offers. This innovative platform is designed to revolutionize video production by making it accessible, fast, and user-friendly. Whether you're a novice or an experienced creator, Morph Studio has something for you. Morph Studio provides a multifaceted creative toolset. One of its standout features is the motion brush, which allows you to animate specific parts of an image or video by simply brushing over them. This means you can add dynamic elements to otherwise static visuals, bringing your creations to life with just a few clicks. Another impressive feature is the style transfer capability. This allows you to transform your videos to match various aesthetic styles, such as anime, luxury, pixel art, or cinematic. Imagine taking a simple video and giving it a unique visual identity that makes it stand out. This feature is perfect for anyone looking to add a creative touch to their content. Morph Studio also excels in video-to-video enhancement. With AI-powered upscaling, noise reduction, and other enhancements, you can improve the quality of existing videos, making them look more professional and polished. This is particularly useful for creators who want to repurpose older content or enhance videos for better viewer engagement. But the benefits of Morph Studio go beyond just content creation. Its applications are vast and varied. In marketing and advertising, you can generate eye-catching promotional videos quickly and cost-effectively. In education and training, you can create engaging instructional videos that cater to diverse learning styles. For film and entertainment, Morph Studio allows for experimentation with new storytelling techniques and visual effects. Even in social activism, you can craft impactful videos that raise awareness and inspire action. The platform also fosters a vibrant creator community where users can share templates, workflows, and ideas. This community aspect encourages collaboration and learning, helping creators of all levels improve their skills and find inspiration. Morph Studio represents a significant step forward in the evolution of video production. By democratizing access to AI-powered tools, it enables anyone with a story to tell to bring their visions to life, regardless of their technical expertise. As the technology continues to advance, Morph Studio is poised to become an indispensable tool for anyone who wants to make an impact through video. In conclusion, Morph Studio is transforming the way we create videos by providing powerful, AI-driven tools that are both intuitive and accessible. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or a newcomer to video production, Morph Studio offers a powerful platform to explore your creativity and unlock the full potential of AI in storytelling. Project number 4, PixVerse AI. Welcome to PixVerse AI, a cutting-edge platform designed to make video creation accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skills or experience. PixVerse AI harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to transform simple text descriptions or images into stunning, high-quality videos. This revolutionary tool opens up new creative possibilities for anyone looking to produce professional-looking content quickly and easily. One of the standout features of PixVerse AI is its text-to-video capability. You simply describe your vision in words, and PixVerse AI brings it to life. Whether you imagine a serene landscape, a bustling cityscape, or an abstract concept, the AI generates visuals that match your imagination. This feature is perfect for content creators, marketers, educators, and anyone who wants to create engaging visual stories without the need for extensive video editing skills. Another impressive feature is the image-to-video transformation. With just a few clicks, you can turn static images into dynamic videos, add motion, transitions, and effects to your images to create compelling visual narratives. This is especially useful for creating engaging social media content, promotional videos, or educational materials that capture attention and convey information effectively. PixVerse AI also offers style transfer capabilities, allowing you to apply different artistic styles to your videos. From classic paintings to modern anime, you can experiment with various aesthetics to find the perfect look for your project. This feature helps you give your videos a unique visual identity, making them stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Customization options in PixVerse AI are robust. You can fine-tune every aspect of your video, from resolution and frame rate to color grading and audio. This level of control ensures that your final product meets your exact specifications and creative vision. Collaboration is another key aspect of PixVerse AI. The platform includes features that enable you to work with others on projects, share your creations, and get feedback from the community. This collaborative environment fosters creativity and helps you improve your skills by learning from others. In conclusion, PixVerse AI democratizes video creation by making it easy for anyone to produce high-quality videos quickly and efficiently. Its intuitive interface, powerful AI capabilities, and extensive customization options make it a valuable tool for a wide range of users. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or simply someone with a creative vision, PixVerse AI provides the tools and platform to bring your ideas to life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 4 Sora AI alternatives for creating free AI videos. We hope these innovative tools inspire you to bring your creative visions to life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest in AI technology. See you in the next video.